Hi everyone, it's Mike Bonn with the Money Side Minute, and today we're going to talk about how do you get out of hard money. You know, you just bought a rental property, you bought it at a discount, you got it fixed up. How do you get out of it? And guess what? You can get out of it right now without waiting, even if you don't have the taxes, even if you don't have the income, if you don't have the partner, you want to keep it in an LLC, there are options and we can help. Before we get into that, just remember to follow us on Facebook, subscribe on the YouTube channels. We have a lot of different content, all focused on increasing your cash flow, getting you better money for, better deals. So first of all, hard money loans, as we said, are great for buying your property at a discount, getting it fixed, getting it renting, taking care of that, taking advantage of that equity, that free equity you get from discounted or wholesale properties. But what do you do when you're in a hard money loan? It's rented, and you don't have the options of fitting in the box of conforming your banks. How do you stop that hard money from eating up all your cash flow, giving them all the money, the lender, instead of yourself? Just so you know, there are options. There's a lot of options. There's 30-year options. There are options with good rates that you could do right now without waiting, 6 months or a year. You don't have to be in business for 2 years. You don't have to have the tax returns where you don't write everything off, where you actually get to take advantage of those things, where your income is down for a year. You don't have to worry about those things. You can keep it in an LLC. You can keep it completely off your credit, so it doesn't impact your credit and keep that score down by having too many loans on your credit. You can have unlimited projects and properties on these loans, and you could, unlike the conforming in this world, in this market right now, you could do it quickly. Loans can close in weeks instead of months. And you don't have to have a credit partner, that income partner, if you need someone because your income is there. You don't have to share it with someone. And all you really need is two things. Good credit, and we could show you how to boost your credit also if it's down a little bit. But you want to have good credit, and you also have to have a good lease, a lease that's going to at least cover all of your payments, your principal, your interest, your taxes, and insurance. And we could help you with those things. We could show you how to get out of hard money into those things, because we understand as investors, even though we're a hard money lender, that investors need to keep moving on to better and better products and money, cheaper money to improve their cash flow. We understand that, so we embrace that. We embrace you getting out of hard money. So, learn more, contact us today. We'd be glad to help you. And as I said before, please follow us. We have a lot of great content both on YouTube and Facebook. And as always, happy investing.